And welcome back to this ChatGPT course. Now, of course, ChatGPT was created by OpenAI, which is a company that creates AI, right? And we know that in the future, AI is just going to take over. So here are just some of the numbers that I could fathom about ChatGPT, just to give you an idea about how revolutionary this thing will be. Now, it took this tool only about 5 days after its release to get about 1 million plus users. That's just ridiculous. I mean, when you factor in some of the numbers, such as Netflix, for example. Netflix right now is very famous. Pretty much a lot of people have, a Netflix membership, including myself, even though I don't watch it that much because I'm so busy doing what I'm doing. But it took Netflix about 41 months to get 1 million subs, right? 1 million people. Now, ChatGPT got 1 million people in just 5 days. Can you believe that? So in just 5 days, 1+ million people actually have used the tool, and just like myself, were blown out of their minds. Now, Facebook, it took Facebook 10 months to get to 1 million, right? So this is just ridiculous. It explains a lot about the reason why Microsoft have invested $1 billion, right? So these guys are so smart, right? They're so smart, for investing that much money. Now, somebody can actually correct me on that because I think Microsoft is the one that invested 1 billion. I think some people might say Google, but I'm pretty sure of the source. It's Microsoft, it's 1 billion. And so ChatGPT originates from the GPT version number 3, all right? So this is ChatGPT, GPT-3, and it actually mimics human writing. But it's not just that. Some people might think, well, can it only be used for blogging? No, it's far from that. You can use it for anything. You can use it to solve your math equations. You can use it to, like I said, to Excel, being an Excel expert. You can use it to solve or to get Excel functions about what you want to do with Excel. You can use it if you're a coder. You can use it if you're a web designer. And I'm going to show you a tutorial about how you can actually use ChatGPT to generate amazing designs. I mean, not designs, but to generate a website's blueprint. You can just give it information and it will tell you, all right, so you want to build this website, here's how you do it, right? And these are the steps. ChatGPT actually can form political opinions. So if you ask it about politics, it's going to answer, right? If you ask it to write code, it's going to write code. So the bottom line is that this tool is just amazing. But you might be thinking, well, how can we find the tool? Actually, pretty simple. Go to Google and search for ChatGPT, all right? ChatGPT is the first one on the list right there. The website is OpenAI. And once you click on the website, right, so this is what you're going to be able to see. And you can click Try ChatGPT. Now, of course, ChatGPT right now is in the beta version, so you can use it now. And like I said in the previous video, we don't really know if it's going to continue being for free, but they've just opened it up for free, which is a smart move from the OpenAI board of direction or whatever they're doing right there. They're actually trying to get feedback from people because this will help them evolve in, later versions of this AI. So just click on Try ChatGPT, basically. And if you don't have an account, go ahead, create yourself an account. Basically, when you log into ChatGPT, it's gonna, because I already have this account here. So this is an account that I already have created. So basically, they're not telling me the things that they're gonna tell you. But if you open the account, they're gonna tell you some stuff such as, ChatGPT is a non-malevolent software. It's actually, it doesn't have feelings. It doesn't have consciousness. And so some of the stuff they're gonna tell you right there. And just read that. I think it's important, but it's not really that much, important. And they actually have an OpenAI Discord. So if you want to join their Discord, just click here, right? And you're gonna go to the Discord, and you can join, their Discord group right there. So basically, I'm just gonna click Accept Invite here. Obviously, I haven't joined the Discord because I didn't think that was necessary for me to do, but you can go to Discord and see what people are thinking about this tool in real time. All right, of course, verification is required, so I'm going to have to go to my Google account, or my Gmail account, I'm going to have to verify that I am indeed who I say I am, because you can't just go in and log into their Discord just as easy as that. So I'm going to go and open up my Google Gmail. So right here, where is the email? Haven't received it. Right, check here. All right, so it seems I just have to go and click here on this complete button, scroll down, click I have read, and then submit. Then I can actually verify my account by clicking verify. All right, so here, hello, are you human? Let's find out. Please type the CAPTCHA below to be able to access this server. Right, so, okay, so I'm gonna have to type this, but right, so where should I type this thing? Right, so the number, well, that's just crazy, man. Type out the traced colored characters from left to right, right? Traced colored characters from left to right. Ignore the decoy. All right, so here, right, so answer. Okay, so let me answer this now. But first off, I'm gonna have to go and see it. It's EGZMHF, right? EGZMHF. EGZMHF, right? So that's it. Let me click on submit right now. And there you go. So I've been verified. So this is their way of actually verifying you. So now I've actually passed the verification so I can access OpenAI, right? So that's good. Now let me scroll down to see where their Discord account is, or the Discord chat is. All right, so that's it. So basically this is just Discord. Now you can come here and see what other people are thinking in real time about this. But I'm pretty much more interested to show you the capacity of what OpenAI can do. And let's go and explore it together. Now, this is basically here, if you click, this is my chat, you know, with OpenAI, right? So I have to tell you that when you chat with this tool, it kind of remembers what you have chatted, so it takes in consideration. That's what I'm trying to say here. And I'm trying to explain it briefly. It takes in consideration what you've said in the past. So if you tell it 1 + 1 = 3, right? And it tells you no, actually 1 + 1 = 2, but you reply and tell it no. I said 1 + 1 = 3. That's what you should believe right now. I want you to change 1 + 1 = 2. It's not equals 2 anymore. Right now it is = 3. Got that? And it will actually say, okay, 1 + 1 = 3. And from that point on, 1 + 1 = 3. So it would seem as you can program it however you want, right? So, but of course there are limitations to anything. And of course, this is just one of the first versions of OpenAI, right? Of ChatGPT, basically. It's not really, I would say it's not the last one, but it's an amazing one. So let's go right now. And I want you to open up a new chat. Now, how you do that? Well, very basic. Just click here on new chat. And you can create a new chat, or if you want to access a previous chat, just click on the previous chat's name, and you can basically rename the previous chat here. So I'm going to give it a name of chat 1. All right, so that's chat 1. Let's create a new chat. Maybe name it test chat. Right. So click here, new. But first off, I'm gonna have to say some things before I name the chat. I'm gonna say hello. All right. Just to give you an idea about what ChatGPT is going to reply. So, hello, how can I help you today? So you can see it's almost like a human, talking to you. So I'm going to click here, and instead of that, I'm going to say test chat, right? Test chat. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can get ChatGPT to write a blog of high quality based on very, very simple or very small details. And we're going to explore it as we go. I'm going to explore up to the limitations of it, just to show you a glimpse of what you can do with it.